Hi everyone, in this video we will try to figure out what headset to buy now as a gaming wireless and at the same time that it was still quite a versatile solution for every day to communicate such as Skype, Zoom and so on. So go ahead, I have picked up one interesting model there and now we're going to sort it out and hopefully you will like it. First of all, I have decided that I want headphones from Sony. Looking at, of course, everything on Amazon's site page as always, and there are several parameters that I lay down when searching for these headphones. First, they must be over-ear, combo, and gaming. In general, why not? Because this is the point which should also be present in the headphones. Here is one of the best in terms of the ratio of all specifications will be Sony PULSE 3D. Plus they also work perfectly with PlayStation 5 and allows you to implement 3D sound. Sony PULSE 3D is probably one of the most versatile headsets which is now generally available on the market. In addition, there is 3D audio on PlayStation 5, virtually minimal surround sound on PC but a very cool microphone, and there are two and a very long time to work on one battery charge from 5 to 6 hours. They have a Type-C cable in the kit as well as a 3.5mm cable for connecting a wired headset, for example to your PC or as a gamepad. Here it is better to choose and see for yourself. And an important, perhaps, aspect is that the headset is as light as possible at first. It seems that it is some kind of light material, but this is an absolute misconception, because after wearing them for 7 hours, and also in them I do Skype coke and then the weight starts to play in the best way. My ears don't sweat, there isn't a hard clip, the head has a stopper, it fits well. The minimal weight on your head, you can't feel it, and in this respect it is almost one of the best headsets I have ever used. And in terms of sound quality, yes, for music it will be average, meaning you shouldn't expect incredible heights here, but as soon as you start watching movies in it, you start talking with it. I don't know how to play, the main thing is that it's a gaming headset, you will get the most out of them. I don't show you these buttons for nothing. The sound is added and subtracted on the headset itself regardless of the sound source. So, you can set the maximum and control the sound on the headset itself. There's also this dongle. It has a USB connection and you plug it in like a PlayStation 5 into the front port or into the rear port. You get a headset in the system. It will be automatically detected or in the PC here too. No additional drivers are not needed to put. Just plug it in and everything works. It will be connected as quickly as possible if threatened in the system, as a wireless headset respectively. You will use just like a classic gaming headset. The fit on your head is next. Very comfortable, in fact, that is, as comfortable as possible. Again, many people complain, many people don't like it. I will tell you that for my money, there are not that many alternatives to this headset. It is super lightweight, super comfortable, my ears do not sweat, and cool microphones. All in all, a really good topic for every day. So let's move on to the conclusions. In terms of results, the Sony PULSE 3D is really one of the most versatile headphones right now. They're lightweight and they have a pretty cool sound. They also have a great microphone, and in parallel they are versatile headphones. They can easily work both wirelessly. They can easily connect to your PC. They can also connect to your PlayStation 5. Give you a really cool 3D sound. And so this versatility is definitely cool to play with. In general, on the fact that you will buy them specifically. Sony, thank you so much for actually creating this type of headphones and not limiting them to the PlayStation 5. The actual price, of course, check where. That's right, on the Amazon page. It will be in the description of this video as well as in the attached commentary. Thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. There is a red button at the bottom. It should definitely become gray. Also click not the bell twice. Thank you for watching.